It's also very unsafe not to be able to exit your front door during a fire. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As a handyman, I have to fix a lot of stuff. So I don't want to call a professional out when I think I can do it myself. This is an easy one. So my kids came home the other day and they couldn't get in the door. So this is happening. Not only is it a inconvenience to keep coming in the garage door, it's also very unsafe not to be able to exit your front door during a fire. Yeah, we have tons of windows and 2 pairs of sliding glass doors, but when people are under stress, they may not think of alternative exits to the home. So today, I am going to tackle this problem. Should only take a few minutes. This should be interesting. No one's on the other side of the door, so if I pull this off, the other side might just fall to the ground. But I'm home alone, so yeah, I'm used to working alone. All right, let's get a look in there. See what's going on. Yep, and there it goes. So that's gonna fall outside. That's gonna suck. There we go. Back inside, I don't know what is the problem here with this bolt, why it's not opening up. I put these in about a year ago. We bought the house 2 years ago, and so we changed the locks, of course, but it took a while. And this one, this is a quick set Deadbolt. I don't want to knock their product. I've never had a problem with it, but unfortunately, it looks like this mechanism is just messed up. I'm gonna have to might have to force it out. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'll keep messing with it, see what happens. Okay, I was messing around with it and using my screwdriver, and now it opens. So, I'm not sure if I want to keep using it or replace it. But for now, I'm going to put it back together and see if it does it again. We'll see. It's a pretty simple process. You just line up the shaft inside. Has a special shape to it. One flat side that matches one flat side here. So you just line that up and put that in. And put in the screws from the other side. It helps if you put the screws in first. And there's a retention plate that goes on the other side. Has an arrow on it showing which side to go up. Just put the screws through here, like so. And then the locking mechanism. Like so. My kids thought I was actually trying to keep them out of the house. They said, don't be silly. I'd actually take your keys away from you, not just change the locks. They didn't find the humor in that. They're grown, so I told them, you know, you can stay as long as you want, but when when you leave, I've already got plans for your rooms. Some of them being a new drum studio. So whoever moves first, their room is gone to me as a drum studio. So I can put my drums in there and they'll get dusty, just like they get wood dust on them in the basement. Because I'm too busy doing stuff like this. So I'm just holding this in while I'm hand turning the screws behind here. Now I'm going to tighten them with the screwdriver. I don't know what the problem was with the lock. Maybe it just caught on something. I usually have a key on both sides of the deadbolt. That's not a bad plan if you keep the key close to the door. You don't want to keep the key in the door because then someone can just break your side light and turn the key, as they can with this. So it's a little bit more security if you keep the key on a little hook to the side where only you and your family know where it's at. That way if someone does break the side light of your door to try and get in and they reach for the deadbolt, there won't be a key in there and there won't be a latch like this. So let's see what happens here. It's not the strongest of action, but let's see. One of the problems with this door is you have to get some light on here. Some light. My lights are dying. You have to push against the door to close it. I don't think most of my family realizes that, so they keep the pressure on the bolt up against the kick plate, and it must have just jammed it. Well, that's it. As you can see, Rollo is ready to use the door. He's very happy I fixed it. Thanks for watching. If this helps you at all fix your deadbolt, cool. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.